I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, OBS up to date, and the chat source URL ready. You open OBS and go straight to View then Docs to add a custom browser doc. This places a new panel. Once done, paste the chat URL into the doc field and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Make sure the URL is the channel's pop-out or chat web view. This avoids authentication issues. Save doc and pause to verify the chat loads visually. Once the doc appears, you fine-tune layout and behavior. Resize and lock the doc so it doesn't overlap sources, drag edges, or set dimensions in the custom browser doc dialog. Then, if you need a cleaner look, inject custom CSS or use the chat provider settings to hide timestamps or badges. This reduces clutter. Make sure to test scrollback and link handling. Some chats require you to allow third-party cookies or log in again. Save and confirm changes. Persist after restarting OBS. You finish by validating full functionality before going live. Send test messages from another account or browser to confirm you see emotes, links, and moderation tags. If the chat won't load, check the exact URL, ensure you're logged into the chat service, and examine cross-origin or cookie settings. These commonly block embedded chats. Update plugins and OBS, then restart the app. If problems persist, remove and re-add the doc or clear the browser cache embedded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.